Have you ever wondered why your lips look darker than before, even though you take care of your skin? You're not alone. Dark lips are one of those things people notice but rarely talk about. It's not always genetics. Dark lips are usually caused by dehydration, sun exposure, smoking or caffeine, use of harsh lip products, and nutrient deficiency. Here are a few homemade remedies you can follow to gradually improve dark lips, restore softness, and bring back a healthier, natural tone. Remedy 1. Honey plus sugar lip scrub for your lips. Ingredients include 1 teaspoon of honey and half a teaspoon of sugar. To use, mix honey and sugar in a bowl and gently massage on lips for 30-60 seconds. Leave for 2 to 3 minutes and rinse with lukewarm water. Benefits of this scrub include the removal of dead skin, which improves natural lip color and makes lips soft and pink. Use this scrub 2 to 3 times a week. Remedy 2. Coconut oil plus vitamin E capsule for healing your lips. Ingredients include half a teaspoon of coconut oil and 1 capsule of vitamin E. To use, mix coconut oil and vitamin E capsule in a bowl and apply before bedtime. Leave it overnight and wash it off the next day. The benefits of this oil include repairing damaged lips and preventing dryness. If you use it daily, it may improve lip tone over time. Remedy 3. Lemon plus honey paste for pigmentation. Ingredients include 2 to 3 drops of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of honey. To use, apply a thin layer of lemon and honey and leave for 5 minutes. Wash off gently. Use at night for the most effective results. The benefits of this paste include that it lightens pigmentation and removes tan. Use it 2 or 3 times a week only. Remedy 4. Using the traditional rose petal paste. Ingredients include 5 or 6 rose petals and a few drops of milk. To use, soak petals in milk overnight and grind into a paste. Apply for 10 minutes and wash off. Benefits of this include that it hydrates lips and restores them to their natural pink tint. It also helps and improves texture. With regular care, you might see softness in 3 to 5 days and improved color in 2 to 3 weeks. Important habits for pink lips include drinking enough water and reducing coffee/tea. Avoid smoking and use lip balm with SPF. Don't lick your lips and remove lipstick before sleep. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more senior-friendly fitness and wellness content.